स्वभावचिन्मयानन्दं कृपापूर्णं जगत्पतिं हरिषड्वर्गजेतारं नित्यानन्दगुरुं भजे। स्वभावचिन्मयानन्दं कृपापूर्णं जगत्पतिम्।
Escape into life. We all know escaping from life. Every magazine you open, every newspaper you open, continuously you will see advertisements to escape from life. Advertisements of resorts, holiday resorts, vacation beaches, hotels. All of them are constantly telling you to escape from life. But I am saying escape into life. Concept about life, if it is clear, then we will know what I mean by the word escape into life. Life is not the fight between your two identities. You carry two identity. Identity which you show to the outer world, which you want the world to believe as you, and the identity which you carry in the inner world as you. See, the identity which you show to the outer world will always be much more than what you are, because you are constantly taught how to sell yourself. It will be little more than what you are. It will always be more than what you are. And the identity which you carry in the inner world and you believe it as you will be always less than what you are. That is why you are constantly fighting with you. Identity which you show to the outer world and the identity which you believe as you in the inner world. Our life is nothing but struggle between these two. The fight between these two. Struggle between these two is what I call tension or stress. If you think this is life, then you have to escape from life. But this is not life. Life is the space. Life is the energy where these two identities do not exist. One beautiful thing is when these two identities meet with each other, when they are connected to each other, both of them disappear. They can be alive as long as the gap is there in between both of them. The identity which you show to the outer world and the identity which you believe as you in the inner world. These two identities will exist only as long as there is a gap between these two. Means you should not be a person whom you are projecting to the outer world. If you integrate both of them, suddenly you will see both of them disappear and you are escaping into life. Ramakrishna says beautifully, the moment you integrate your heart and the words, man muk ek karo, in Bengali he says, your being and the word, when both of them are connected, integrated, you are liberated. The two identities, the identity which you show to the outer world, how we want to be recognized, it will always be more than what we are. An identity which we believe as us in the inner world, it will always be lower than what we are. You always calculate about yourself only based on your weakest actions. You remember only the failures. The identity we use in Sanskrit, we have two words in Sanskrit. Ahankar, Mamakar. Ahankar is one which we project to the outer world. Mamakar, which we believe as in the inner world. The fight between these two is what I call mind or ego. If you lived only with your mind, then you have to escape from life. But if you know the life is beyond these two, Ahankar and Mamakar, then you have to escape into life. Escaping from life, escaping into life, two different things. You all of you must have tried enough of times escaping from life. All of you must have tried enough because constantly you are bombarded with the advertisements. The moment you switch on the TV, you see photographs, ads. The moment you open the magazines, you see ads. In the newspaper, you see ads. Everywhere you see ads with a beautiful swimsuit lying on the beach or the bank of a swimming pool or near a lake in some vacation resort. The photograph is constantly promising you, if you go to that place and lie down, you will be in heaven. See, it's a visual promise given to you. You also tried many times. I think every one of you would have tried at least few times. But it's not happening. And even in your own inner space, when you see those advertisements, when you see a beautiful snow-covered mountain, or a beautiful hill, or a vast ocean, in the photograph, or in the ad, or in TV, you feel, if you go to that place and lie down like that, you will be in heaven. But when you go there and catch the same chair, same spot, same weather, even the same glass, and lie down, but you are not in heaven. What is happening? Where we are missing? If you look a little deep inside, you will understand. When you see the photograph, when you see those moments in the ad, why you want to go there, why you feel you will be in heaven if you go there, but if you go there physically, you don't feel that same thing. If you look a little deep, you will understand why. Actually, deep down, all of us want to go away somewhere where nobody knows us, where you don't need to hold on to your identity for your survival, where you don't need to constantly protect, hold on, keep that identity like a shield. See, your identity is, in the initial level, you created it for protection as a shield. But by and by, because you don't know how to relax from it, it has become prison. If you know the door is open, this is a room. If you don't have the key and it is locked, this is prison. Identity also, you built it to be a home. But by and by, when you don't know how to relax from it, it has become prison. So deep down, all of us have the craving to go away somewhere where you don't need to hold on to your identity. You don't need to constantly protect yourself with your identity. The desire for vacation is nothing but the desire to be without your identity. If you understand this basic truth, you don't have to escape from life, you can escape into life.